Good day everyone. So again, we are going to give another example for the topic transform equations into quadratic equation. So this time we will going to solve um, this kind of problem. Okay, so first example. So I have x to the fourth minus 7x squared plus 12 equals to 0. So again, we need to transform first the given equation into a quadratic equation so that we can solve for the roots. But as you can see, the given is not in the quadratic equation, since the highest power of the variable is 4. But we can manipulate this one. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to let u be equal to x squared. Okay, so since I'm going to let u as x squared, I can rewrite this one as x to the fourth. I can rewrite this as x squared raised to 2, okay, minus 7x squared plus 12 equals to 0. And then I'm going to change x squared to u, so it will become u, and also this will become u. So it can be written as u squared minus 7u plus 12 equals to 0. So as you can see, okay, we now have a quadratic equation that is in the standard form. That is u squared minus 7u plus 12. But we need to solve first for the value of the roots. So this time we will apply factoring. So I'm going to look for factors of 12 that if I'm going to add will give me negative 7. So this time it is negative 4 and negative 3. So that will become u squared. That will become quantity u minus 4, then u minus 3. That is equals to 0. Then applying for the zero product property, I'll now have u is equals to 4 and u is equals to 3. But this is not yet the answer. Since we let u as x squared, so we will now rewrite u as x squared. So it will become x squared is equals to 4, x squared is equals to 3. And then solve for x, that will become x squared both sides. So we're going to square both sides. So I have now x is equals to plus minus 2 and x is equals to plus minus square root of 3. So that will be the value of the roots. So if you're asking if we have 4 values of the roots, yes we have, since we have power of 4, so it gives us 4 possible roots, and that is plus and minus 2 plus and minus square root of 3. Okay, so that's it for our first example. So let's have another one. So B, example letter B. So how about this one? X squared minus 2 squared minus x squared minus 2 minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so as you can see sa given, hindi agad siya makikita na quadratic equation. But again, we can let u be equal to, so common is x squared minus 2, so let's make it u, so x squared minus 2. Okay, so since we let that u equals to x squared minus 2, we can rewrite this as u squared minus u minus 6 equals to 0. and then apply factoring. So by the way, this will be our quadratic equation. Okay, so let's apply factoring. So that will become negative 6, so negative 3 and positive 2. So that will become negative 3 and positive 2. That is equals to 0. So applying zero product property, you'll have u equals to 3 and u is equals to negative 2. But revert back the value for u, that is x squared minus 2, that is equals to 3, and then x squared minus 2, that is equals to negative 2. So it will become transposed, so x squared equals to 5, then transpose, you have x squared equals to 0. Okay, so square it both sides. So you have x is equals to plus minus square root of 5 and x is equals to 0. Okay, so the value of our roots is plus minus square root of 5 and x is equals to 0. Okay, so let's box the answers. Okay, so that's it.